Hi, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the most easiest, most effortless blowout that you can do at home. So this is also great if you're trying to minimize heat on your hair, but still get more of that like salon finish. So on my channel, I've definitely shown you more expert salon blowouts. I've given you all like the tips and techniques to get the most volume, the most shine. But today I really just wanted to go back to the basics. And this is perfect for you literally have like 10 minutes out of the shower to get your hair done. This is definitely a technique that I've been running more and more to in the last couple of months, and I figured it was time to share. So this video today is sponsored by the Skin Research Institute. I'm going to be featuring the SRI DryQ blow dryer. If you're not new here, you've heard me talk about this blow dryer with good reason. I'm always looking to bring you different options for different hair types, different lifestyles, and different budgets. And the last time that I featured the SRI DryQ blow dryer, you guys loved it. And it's the blow dryer that I keep in my go-to bag for when I go do clients. And anytime that I step away to do hair, I want a blow dryer that's gonna be fast, it's gonna be reliable, and that is going to be compact, both for packing away and for handling while I'm working on my clients. So I'm gonna walk you through my super easy at-home blowout. This is probably the easiest ever. So I'm gonna show you two ways. The simplest, which literally takes me between 5 and 7 minutes, and that is just to get it a quick rough dry. And that's the one thing I can do with this blow dryer, no other, is just how quickly I can get my hair just dry. We're not even talking about a blowout, I'm talking about just dry. So I just rough dry my hair for about 3 to 4 minutes. So once I've done that, I part the crown portion of my hair up and I start working to just bevel my ends and just smooth out my hair on that bottom layer. Now this is the trick. If you're really running out of time, you can just kind of perfect those ends. And honestly, if you do have dryness or breakage, typically this layer underneath is not the problem. So it's kind of nice to be able to still kind of polish up the hair. And then what I end up doing with my hair that's just been rough dried with the blow dryer, I just put it up in a slightly messy bun, but it's a great way to eliminate putting heat on the top and still looking like your hair is somewhat put together. I love this look if I'm gonna be just all day doing Zoom meetings. It also adds volume to the top without heat. So this first step gets me ready for any work or any time I have to be in front of a camera. And say later on I'm going out to dinner with my husband and my family and I want to look a little bit more polished. Let's be honest, this probably happens once or twice a week now. I can just go ahead and style that top portion of the hair. And because the hair has just more naturally dried this way, it's going to be so much easier now to just add a little bit of shine, a little bit of polish through that top crown area of the hair. So I basically just do my kind of signature blowing away from the face to get a ton of that face framing volume. And then I make sure, of course, to smooth out the mid-lengths and then just bevel those ends a little bit. Whether you have some dryness going on or regardless of the cut you really have, I feel like this step really adds this look as if you've really spent time kind of perfecting your hair, and it's actually quite easy. The SRI DryQ blow dryer also now has this extra attachment, great for taming flyaways and just defrizzing the hair. This area here is just so much more prone to visible frizz and any possible kinks, maybe from having your hair up. And I swear to you, this attachment is absolutely foolproof. If you're one of those people that like literally gets in front of the mirror and doesn't know which angle or which way to hold the blow dryer and you just feel kind of flustered with the blow dryer, this attachment is for you. So if you're one of those people that typically needs to go back in and, with a flat iron or a curling tool, otherwise your hair just never looks really smooth, this is great for that. And bonus, it's super easy to use. I love that it's a high-end, high-tech hairdryer, perfect for a salon-style blowout at home, or in my case, it's what I love using on clients. It's portable, lightweight, but styles as powerfully as a regular size hairdryer. And most revolutionary reason why I love this hair dryer is its red light therapy that helps strengthen the hair and helps stimulate hair growth, which, if you know me, I'm all about hair and scalp health, and of course using a tool that gives you beautiful results, but is also thinking about the integrity of your hair in the long run is super important to me. I also love how quick I can blow dry my hair with the SRI DryQ, definitely faster than with my other hair dryers. And so yeah, here is my super easy blowout. It's kind of a 2-in-1. You can do one or the other style. And yes, this is what the hair looks like once I'm done. So if you've been on the market for a new blow dryer, you want something that's going to be super easy to use. It's going to feel nice to hold, because that's one thing. The older I get, the more I realize that if something is just not nice to use, it's not comfortable, I'm not going to reach for it. So it is best to have something that's going to be super easy and really effective at getting the results you're after. So if you'd like to try your very own SRI DryQ blow dryer by the Skin Research Institute, I've left a link in the description box. And as always, I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.